Hi everyone. Today we're going to download and print Angel tags. So let's get started. We're going to look at downloading the tags. You log into the website, you download from the website the Angel reporting software. That's the menu choice. I recommend saving it to a folder called C Angel so that it's in the root of the computer that you're working on and easy to find. You're going to download Angel XML, and if you need to print things like address labels, you also will download the HOH, or the Head of Household XML. Open the reporting program. This year it's called Angel Web Report 2017. Import Angels, import Head of Household if you've done that. Take a look at all the setup options because there's several features that turn on and off different printing options, and then print the Angel tags. So we're going to start by logging into the website. And I'm logging into the demo site. We start off by going to the Download Angel Reporting Software page. And you'll see that the Angel Web Report 2017 is here. You right-click on the file, on the link, Save Target As, or if you're using Chrome, Save Link As. And I'm going to save it to the Angel folder on the C drive. Click on Save. And the file's been downloaded. Now, if I want to print Angels, I have to download Angels that have been, where the applications have been completed. So now I'm going to click on Download Angel Data to XML. And that's going to build a download file that the Microsoft Access printing program knows about. So it knows about all the fields and things that are included in that file. And this usually takes a minute or two for the website to build all the files. There's several thousand Angels in the demo data. So here's the data. You'll notice that there's several optional reports that you might want to look at. Look at Angel errors. If you're doing financial qualification, you may want to check to see if there's any applications that are not qualified for financial reasons that you expected to be qualified. You may also want to look at the not approved report. There's also a warning that says there's 63 disabled Angels in this download. Disabled Angels print with regular Angels. That's designed to be for children that are older than the cutoff date. Oftentimes that's the cutoff date is children under 13 years old. And so if you have someone who's disabled that you want their Angel to print, you would do that. Sometimes during the data entry, the Angels or the head of household will accidentally be marked as disabled. So you may want to click on this link in order to find them. So what you do now is you right-click on the link, Save Target As. We're going to save it in the Angel folder. And that's finished. Now I'm also going to download the Head of Household data. This again takes a minute or two. Right-click, Save Target As. Save it in the Angel data, Angel folder. And now we're done with the website. So now you'll notice in the Angel folder we have three files. We have the Microsoft Access program, we have Angel data, and we have Head of Household data. I'm just going to double click on the Access program. Security for the Angel folder hasn't hasn't been configured to support Microsoft Access, so it gets a security warning. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go modify the rights to the Microsoft Access program so it won't give me that warning anymore. So I click on File, click on Options, click on Trust Center and Trust Center Settings, Trusted Locations, and now I need to tell Microsoft Access that CAngel is a trusted location. So click on Add, type in CAngel, and say OK. And now that's listed. Click on OK. Click on OK. And now we'll see that when we open up the Access program, it no longer complains about, no longer gives that warning. So this is the primary menu. The first thing we're going to go do is import Angels. So click on Import. This page here allows you to browse to where the Angel file might be and then import it. If you're using the 64-bit version of Office, the Find button doesn't work and you have to type in C:\Angel and the file name. But I'm going to click on Browse. I'm going to go to the C drive, go to the Angel folder, and since I'm doing Angel data, I'm going to pick the file that says Angel data. So now it's filled in the blanks here and click on Import. When you do that, it goes out and downloads all of the information, and then it says Done. Now, because I also want to demonstrate printing address labels, I'm going to go download the head of household information as well. Click on Close, click on Import, and now I'm going to go find the head of household data. So click there, click on Import. It says Done. So that should be all we need to do to get information into the system. Now I want to take a look at the printing options. There's several new features this year in the printing options. You can decide if you're doing sponsors whether or not you want to show the sponsor name, yes or no. Do you want to show the application type if you have more than just Angels? That might be a handy thing to do. Do you want to print the disabled message on the Angels? Do you want to show ethnicity on the Angels? As well as if you have modified, if you discover that you haven't updated the Angel messages prior to downloading, you can go and change them right here. You don't have to download again. So I'm going to just say, as an example, that I want it Angel gifts, Angel tags are due back on the 18th. So close. And now I open up the Angel reports. There's several options on this screen. You can print only boys, print only girls, or both. You can print from more than one location if you happen to have locations saved. You can print more than one type of application. In this example, I only have Angels. You can print sponsors. So if you have sponsors, you can then choose, I only want to print the tags for this sponsor. You can limit the tags to a particular county. The standard tags are 87, 88, and 89. So if you collected only one gift request, that it would be WebPrint 1. If you did like a gift request and a child need, it would be WebPrint 2. And if you had three choices like gift request, child need, and bicycle type, then you would use WebPrint 3. So in this example, I'm going to open up WebPrint 2, and it shows the angel tag is ready to be printed on the pre-printed form. We also have floor sheets. We have floor sheets that include elders. So if you happen to have elders in your family and you want them to show up on the page, then you would do that. Similarly, we have a portrait version. So here's the regular one for just angels. And here's the one for angels as well as elders. There's various tags that can be used to print, and I've included the form number of the tag. If you say you had 9 per page, it's formatted to print 9 per page. If you want to do Forgotten Angels, then you would come down here and run the Forgotten Angel report using a similar metaphor. Forgotten Angels come from the setup page to allow you to go to the setup page. Forgotten Angel percentage says I want to print 20% of all of my angels by age and gender. So 20% of 2-year-old boys, 20% of 3-year-old girls, and like that. And then when you print Forgotten Angels, it generates a list. It uses the core code and FA to identify Forgotten Angels versus regular angels. You can also do the same thing for elders. So this will look for angels, head of household or angels, that have some gift wish. You have to have a gift wish in order to be printed. And they meet the age criteria configured on the website. So there's a date for when angels qualify, and there's a date for when seniors qualify, and that's on the setup pages. And I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have any other things that you'd like to have a video. I can be reached at support@pwhdev.com. Thank you very much.